How to record shows on Roku TV. I'm going to show you how to record shows on your Roku television. First, use a live TV streaming service. Roku TV don't have built-in DVR, but you can record shows using a live TV streaming service like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus, Live TV, or Sling TV. For example, on YouTube TV, find the show you want to record, click on it, and select Add to Library. This will automatically record new episodes to your cloud DVR. On Hulu plus Live TV, select a show, click My Stuff, and Hulu will save upcoming episodes for you. To watch recorded shows, go to the library or DVR section of your streaming service and select your saved content. And that's it. While Roku TV itself cannot record, cloud DVRs from streaming services can make it possible for you.